If you do the same workouts over and over again, your body gets used to them no matter how hard they are, which will lead to your plateau in your performance. I'm going over the 3 power-packed cycling workouts for you to boost your performance. Build your leg capacity with power bursts. The first way to boost your performance on the bike is to do power bursts. They're a great way to increase your strength and endurance in your leg muscles. This will help you produce power on the bike that'll help you for all your triathlons on your calendar. These power burst workouts are versatile and can complete on any terrain. So pick your favorite bike, your favorite route, and get moving. You will need to have a good warm-up before you are going to ride. If you would like to see a video on the kind of warm-up the professionals do, comment below. I like to do a dynamic warm-up for 5 minutes, then ease into my bike with about 5 minutes of cycling easy. Changing efforts. This includes shifting gears and testing out easy and hard rotations to help get ready for the main cycling set. So the power burst workouts start off by spinning at a very low cadence and a slow speed. Next, you need to shift into your big gear and pedal as hard as you can until you reach about 80 RPMs or 80 revolutions per minute. This should take about 10 to 15 seconds to ramp up to that. Shift into a smaller gear and spin easy for about 3 minutes, around 90 RPMs. Do this 5 to 10 times and build it to 15 or 20 times for each session. Pro tip, don't skimp on the warm-up. Because this workout taxes your joints, muscles, and tendons significantly, you have to warm up in order to avoid injury. Increase power by changing cadence with intervals. The second way to increase your power is to change your cadence. You could do this with cadence interval sessions, which is a moderate intensity workout that will improve your coordination and the muscles that enhance your ability to pedal at a high rate. If you've ever been in a group ride, you need to have a higher cadence or else you'll get dropped. You will likely not be able to keep up with the rest of the group if you have a low cadence. Trust me, it's happened to me way too many times, and it's very difficult to catch a group drafting when they change speeds quickly and you're in a heavy gear and pedaling slow. So, in order to do this workout, use relatively small gears that allow you to train at a moderate effort while pedaling at a cadence between 100 and 110 RPMs. Here's an example of an easy workout where you begin at 85 RPMs for about 5 minutes, build up to 90 to 95 RPMs for another 5 minutes as your warm-up, and then do 30 seconds of high cadence, 110 plus, and then 4 minutes and 30 seconds of recovery. This just helps you get used to spinning your legs a little bit faster. To progress this one, you're gonna do the same kind of warm-up, only now every 5 minutes, you're gonna do a minute of 110 RPMs in a smaller gear so your heart rate doesn't go above zone 3 or green if you're using a Garmin. This will build up your aerobic capacity and your spinning capabilities. Another harder example of this interval session for cadence work is going to be the same warm-up, but then for every 10 minutes, you're gonna do 10 seconds of hard effort with fast cadence and 20 seconds of recovery. Do a block of 5 or 10 of these and then take a 5-minute break. Then go into it again and again and again as you build up over the weeks. This is gonna help your ability to have a higher cadence and challenge your cardiovascular system. There are several ways to work on your cadence. Comment below what your favorite workout is to improve your cadence on the bike. Riding in bigger gears, riding at the same cadence in a bigger gear will definitely help you generate more power on the bike. Riding with a lower cadence and a bigger gear is a great way to build strength on the bike. Strong legs on the bike will give you stronger results. Practice riding in a bigger gear with lower cadence to produce more power with each pedal stroke. Another way to do this is to swap out your gear set. Do that same 10-minute warm-up that we did before and to do 5 minutes of 1 minute slow RPMs and 1 minute of recovery. Do this 5 times and repeat multiple times throughout your workout. Build this up over weeks. You shouldn't do about 25 minutes of these in your first workout. Bonus workout to improve your aerobic base with long rides. Long rides improve your aerobic and muscular endurance. They stress your cardiovascular and muscular systems in a way that facilitates adaptation. Long rides are the most effective way to increase your training volume and stress. Gradually building up to a long ride for you will help get you used to the bike and condition your body to perform better on the bike. You don't have to complete a long ride every week. If you need to save some time, do one every other week or every 3 to 4 weeks. That will still significantly improve your power output and overall fitness. This workout looks like a long and boring workout on paper, but make it enjoyable by riding by some beautiful scenery or with some friends. Your long bike ride might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5+ hours. Make sure it's in a zone 2 or relatively easy training pace compared to the higher intensity and higher power workouts earlier in this video. What did the one nut say to the other nut during the race? I'm gonna catch you. If you could like this video, it will help me reach a lot of other triathletes trying to improve their performance in a triathlon. If you enjoyed watching this video, then watch this one on the strength workouts you need to improve your cycling.